Hey everyone, here we are Team HyperX, Team 204, ready to present to you our Hyperloop model. I'll hand over to Nam now for the specifics.
So hey guys, in our main design, we will have our door will be open like this. And also in the pod, we also have a lot of like safety equipment. For example, the first aid kit and the fire extinguisher. And also there will be some accessory like the garbage bin for the customer. In our main design, we also decide to choose the ceiling as become transparent so that the customer can look through it when they go into the tunnel. And now I will pass on to our next member.
So for the seats, we wanted to make them simple but also comfortable. So as you can see, they have a lot of cushions on the back, so they're nice and comfortable. And the chair also can rotate and recline back. There's a little like TV on the armrest where you can press the buttons and you can rotate as much as you want or recline as much as you want. And you can go back, and it's very nice, so you can leave, go to the bathroom or throw something out and then come back without any problems, as well as the table. The table can move back and forth. If you don't want to use it, you can leave it all the way out, or you can pull it with you if you're going to use it for drinks or something. And there's a compartment at the bottom where you can put your jackets or something. If you don't have that big of luggage to go in the luggage compartment, something small can go under there so it's not sitting on your lap. Also, we decided not to include that many chairs, so it's nice and spacious and it's not crowded, and everyone can have their own privacy.
Next is we have the screen that is foldable. And on the back, we have the luggage compartment and the bathroom. Between the luggage compartment and bathroom is an aisle that goes to the next pod. Thank you.